Alright, so this is a quick tutorial on how to create a button skin in Gimp. Okay, so we're going to go File, New, and now you need to know the width and height of your button. What's going to be the width and height of our button? Okay, so we created a button that was 48 by 48. So you're going to hit OK. It's going to create this button for you. That's the actual size of it. If I hit Control and roll my mouse in and out, I can blow that up so it's more comfortable to work with here. And your eyes aren't working so hard. Are you with me? Squinting at a little tiny button. But this is a 48 by 48 button. You can look up here. This is 48 by 48. So I'll go over this one more time. How do I get these windows open? Okay, so you go to Windows, New Toolbox. Get your toolbox up. I always drag it to the left. I have no idea why. And I go to Dockable, Windows, Dockable Dialogues, Layers, and I get my Layers tool up. Are you with me on that? These are two important toolboxes that we use a bunch. Okay, I've learned from experience that you always want these two up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my elliptical tool. I'm going to start at the top left-hand corner because I want to create a round button, right? You with me on this? So I'm going to go to the top left corner. I'm going to drag in a round button. Okay, there it is. That's the beginning of a round button. It's perfect circle, 48 by 48 diameter. How do I know that? Number one, it looks like a circle. Number two, this is 48 by 48. Number three, when I drag it, it would tell me down here that I dragged a 48 by 48. Okay? Now, Brian, I'm going to go to shout out to who we shout out to today? Okay? No shout outs today. So now I'm going to go to my blend tool. Double click on it, and I'm going to go choose, today we're doing digital doodle, so we're doing like rainbow colors and a mystery button. 9 minutes left. So, what you want to do here is, I want to go get, you could do linear or whatever you want to do here, okay? So I could go in here and drag linear. You with me on that, Brian? You could go get whatever shape you want. Here's radial, Control Z. Here's radial, okay? You could go like here, radial. You with me? You can pick any one. Square. Square's pretty cool. Watch this. You get like a little, you with me? You can go get any one of these. You just play around with this. Conical gets like a point in the middle. Okay? So once you have the one you like, I like the spiral. So I like to spiral it. Okay? So once you have your skin set up the way that you want. Okay? By the way, if you wanted, I could show you this. If you wanted to put text on here, you can just go in here and drag a text. Okay, let's say you wanted to put a question mark in here or 3 question marks. Okay, there's 3 question marks. And then you could, here's your color. Now it's black. Okay, what's your text color? Oh, no, here it is. Here's your text color. So now it's black. Okay, so now I got black question marks on there. Are you with me? And now you just put the black question mark on your skin. Now, you also know you could put it in MIT also. That's fine if you want to do that. I kind of like doing it with MIT, but I just wanted to show you. Let's say you wanted to create a button and put text on it. You could also put text on it. Okay? Okay, so let's say you don't want text, and there you go. You can just delete that. Okay. Now, I want to get rid of this white background. Are you with me? So you're going to go, this is where you need your layers tool. You're going to go right click, add alpha channel, color pick the white, and delete. Whatever I color pick is what I delete. Let's say I wanted to color pick this pink here. You see how it color picks all the same color that's pink? And then I hit delete. Well, now that's all been deleted. Okay, you see what I did? Because it picks the exact same color. So that tells you that not all these pinks are the exact same pink. And what's it looking at? It's looking for the exact same RGB color value numbers. That's what it's doing there. You guys with me on? You remember studying RGBs? Red, green, and blue. I had the different color numbers in there. Okay, so if you would go right here to this pink, it's looking for 255, 71, 255. You see that RGB? Okay. I want to hit Control Z there. Okay, I don't want to do that. So I want to color pick this white, Brian. I color pick everything that's white. See, let's go to this button right here. See this paint dropper? If you color pick that, white is 255, 255, 255. That's white. All the colors added together are white. None of the colors added together are black. Good to know. Okay. So I color pick everything that's white. So I'm going to go color pick everything that's white and hit delete. And now it just got rid of my background. And now I have a skin that looks like a circle. Are they really circles? No, it's really a square. But because I made the background transparent, it's going to give the appearance of a circle. That's why I try to teach you guys that all sprites are rectangles. Okay? All sprites are rectangles. Okay? And what you do is you do transparent backgrounds, and then we make them look like they're not triangles. Mario, we make Mario look like Mario. We make Pac-Man look like Pac-Man. Are you with me? But Pac-Man is still a square. Mario is still a square. That's good to know because when you do collision detection, you're colliding between two squares. Not Mario and Pac-Man, Pac-Man and the Ghost. The Ghost is a square, Pac-Man's a square. They're all squares. You're doing collision detection with squares. Okay? And we could have a whole conversation about how to do collision detection. All right? So now you're going to go when you have what you have and you like what you have, okay? You don't save, you go file export as, okay? And I'll say this is my mystery button, and this is period 2, okay? And I want to do a .png. If you save it as a JPEG, okay, JPEGs are like cheap versions. It's like Walmart and Target, okay? Walmart's kind of like cheaper made, right? You get things cheap. Target's a little bit more expensive, but a little bit better quality. Okay, same thing here. JPEGs are Walmart, cheap, and PNGs are Target. They're a little bit better quality. They have better quality so they can hold the transparencies. Okay, so you have to do export as a PNG. Make sure your save color values for transparent pixels is off. See this button right here? That check mark has got to be off. And then what I do is I hit save as default, so that will always be off. Okay, I uncheck it, hit save as default. This will always be off then. And then I hit export. And now I should be able to go back to my designer, and I should be able to change the skin of this button now. So if I go upload, choose a file, and there's my mystery button, period 2. I hit OK. You should see the swirl now. There it is. There's the swirl. Okay. And now, since I don't have a question mark in there, probably what I would do is go down to my button, and I would put a large question mark here. I actually kind of like putting the question marks in MIT because now I can go up here and bold it, and I can make it larger. Okay. Font italics. Bold. Okay. And now if I wanted to, I could put 3 question marks if I wanted to. So I have more control of that. Okay, mystery button, question mark. All right, that's a tutorial on creating button skins. I hope this helps. Keep calm and code on. Have a great weekend.